Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we practice some important bits regarding the topic articles from the English grammar. Manjula and Shruti play dash guitar well. Choose the correct article that fits the blank. Answer the. Srinu is dash English teacher in a high school. Choose the correct article that fits in the blank. Answer an. My father is dash school teacher. Choose the correct article. Answer A. I like to play dash cricket. Choose the correct article. Answer no article needed. He arrived at the station on dash foot. Choose the correct article. Answer no article needed. He speaks dash Hindi well. Choose the correct article. Answer no article needed. Swapna lent me dash interesting book. Choose the correct article. Answer an. The girl is dash orphan. Choose the correct article. Answer an. Gold is dash precious metal. Choose the correct article. Answer A. She goes to dash school every day. Choose the correct article. Answer no article. Ravindra Bharati is dash auditorium. Choose the correct article. Answer A. The Pacific is dash ocean. Choose the correct article. Answer an. The Mahabharata is dash epic. Answer an. There is dash orange in the basket. Choose the correct article. Answer an. It is it is dash historical place. Choose the correct article. Answer A. He studied in dash Usmania University. Choose the correct article. Answer no article. I read dash Hindu newspaper. Choose the correct article. Answer the. They don't believe in dash God. Choose the correct article. Answer no article. He takes dash lunch late every day. Choose the correct article. Answer no article. My son is dash MLC. Choose the correct article. Answer an. Kamala is dash idol girl. Choose the correct article. Answer an. There are 12 months in dash year. Choose the correct article. Answer A. Dash mayor inaugurated the fair. Choose the correct article. Answer the. Father was not well, so I sent for dash doctor. Choose the correct article. Answer the. Ramnath Kovind is now not dash president of India. Answer A. Indians like milk and dash sugar in their coffee. Choose the correct article. Answer no article. This is dash unfortunate incident. Choose the correct article. Answer an. Mr. John Kerry is dash American. Choose the correct article. Answer an. Choose the correct word to fill in the blank in the sentence. Copper is dash useful metal. Answer A. Identify the correct word to fill in the blank. He eats dash banana every morning. Answer A. Identify the correct preposition and the article to fill in the blanks in the sentence. Answer. Let's go on to a hillock. Dash elephant is a wild animal. Choose the correct article. Answer an. It is dash heroic deed. Choose the correct article. Answer an. We must help dash poor. Choose the correct article. Answer the. He is dash higher to the throne. Choose the correct article. Answer an. Let us discuss dash matter seriously. Choose the correct article. Answer the. His father is dash university lecturer. Choose the correct article. Answer A. He is dash European. Choose the correct article. Answer A. Dash sun rises in the east. Choose the correct article. Answer the. Sanskrit is dash sacred language. Choose the correct article. Answer A. Thank you for watching our videos.